So dear student, this is the thing. Now if you want to make a duplicate of it, you can go here, click on it, see duplicate slide, click, do the right click, the drop down menu will come. From there if you select a duplicate slide, the duplicate slide will be created. Okay, this way the duplicate slide will be created. If you want to add a new slide, you can go there, use a blank slide or any pattern of slide you want. Say here title and content. So this also you can add here. New slide is coming. So in this new slide you can add whatever you want to add. Okay, now layout. Next I will come to the layout portion. So here in this particular thing there is a table insertion, graph insertion that I will show you. Picture insertion I have shown you, online picture insertion just now. I have previous video I have shown you online picture insertion, movie insertion, anything you can insert it. So what is there in your content, so that you can insert. Suppose you want to do a graph. Okay, suppose I am writing here graph. Okay, so after writing the graph you can select this and you can do the arrangement of it, that you can bring it in the middle, you can change the pattern of writing, you can make it bold, you can give the color of it. Okay, select it and implement the color. Okay, you can make this one bold. See, this became bold. So what type of design you want, you can do it. Now next I'm coming to the table, creation of the table. Suppose this is a table, double click on it. So table, how many rows? Suppose 5 rows, 5 columns. Not I am decreasing the column number. Mm, suppose 3 columns, and suppose 3 rows I am making. Okay, so 3 column, 3 rows. Now here I am writing here. You will bring the cursor. You see cursor is there. You can change the any color. Suppose this color, if you want, you can give this color. Now you write here. Suppose days. Okay. Now here I am writing gifts. Now here I am writing person. So whom to give? Suppose day one. Gift. Suppose sweets and jewelries. Okay, person whom to give, suppose sister, mother, auntie. Okay, so day two, suppose any type of you can do it, sweets. Then suppose here I am giving all, and you want to write here anything more than sweets and gifts. Now the things come about the coloring. So you can select the particular thing. Suppose you selected this one, you select this, you can give what type of color of the word you want, what pattern of color. So you see a shadow color, all these things. If you want a shadow color, say it will become a shadow color. Okay, suppose this complete row I am selecting. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, anything, any part. All the words of this particular row I am selecting. Type of the letter 3D, if you want a 3D of it. Glow, if you want a reflection, shadow reflection will also going to come. This is shadow reflection. Now color, what the color you want, there are the different type of colors are there, say. Okay, any pattern of color you can give to it. So this way you can design it. So this is the area, that means table style, table, different type of table style, border style. If you want to give the border, obviously outside all border. So see, the border came only this much. Why? Because I didn't selected the total table. If I select the total table, suppose now total table, you can give the border, all borders is given. Now effect, what type of effect? Carvel effect, there are the different type of, see, effects are there. These effects you can give. Now writing that needed to be bring in a middle, you can go here, see here, all the writing will come in middle. Okay, so if you want to increase the size of the writing, that also you can do. Suppose I am making increase it. Okay, so this way you can do the different type of insertion of the table. So this is how if you want to add more column of it. Suppose if you want to add more row on